Hi, I'm Lindsay Hanahan at Move Studios in Denver, Colorado, and I was just practicing one of my favorite pelvic floor exercises, getting ready for our next functional Pilates workshop, which starts January 19th. If you have unresolved back pain, hip pain, incontinence, or sexual dysfunction, this 8-week workshop could help. I'll be here teaching you and correcting you every week, and you'll have streaming videos to help you practice on your own. We have daytime and evening classes, and you can take it online from anywhere in the world, or if you're in the Denver area, you have the option of online or a COVID-safe in-person experience. To sign up, go to our website at movestudiosdenver.com and select Schedule and Workshops. Meanwhile, I'm going to get back to work. Hope to see you there.